have, it's called the DT Alley, and we call them alley ambassadors or alley porters. And so those people start at $10 an hour working hourly, and we clean up, we have an art alley. And so we clean up the art alley for the businesses. They pay into that, it pays their wages. And then if somebody's really doing well, then we progress them on and we get them their food handlers cards, and then they work with our partners that are in the bars and restaurants. And right now we have contracts that we've negotiated for the bars and restaurants. If you're familiar with downtown Las Vegas, Fremont East. Oh, yeah. So we have about 10 blocks now that team covers. The mint we can't keep in, and then we just unfortunately had some aphids. So we had this beautiful mint, spearmint and chocolate mint, and everybody wanted the chocolate mint for their craft cocktails, and we got aphids. So now we're back to square one. So it'll be a few more months till we're ready to sell again. But we also set up the businesses with clear expectations to where we said, hey, don't rely on us. We will call you when we're ready to have a harvest and see if you need it that week. So we've also set realistic expectations so they're not dependent on us. Then we also do once a quarter outings with them where we try to take them out. We get a bus that's handicapped accessible so everybody can go, and we go do a fun outing. So our last one, it's a really, really fancy Thai restaurant at our brand new casino that we couldn't have afforded, but because we sell them butterhead lettuce, they paid for our meal, and so everybody got to eat for free and order everything they want. It was awesome for about 25 people.
That's great.
Yeah.